Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2020 Toyota Tacoma Limited. This truck has 36,450 miles. It's a one owner. We got this on trade, fresh trade, right here in Texas. It was maintained by the dealer, always serviced at the dealer. Has really nice Michelin tires, all very good tread. No scuffs on any of the wheels, no dents, no scratches, non-smoker, clean Carfax. It's a very nice truck. It's two-wheel drive, automatic. It's got the factory tonneau cover, which is really nice. We do have all-weather mats here in the back. Brand new carpet mats in the front. He wasn't using them, I just put them inside. It's got the side steps from the factory as well. Really clean interior. There's no stains or anything in here, no weird smells. It's got navigation, 360 camera, adaptive cruise control, blind spot, JBL audio, keyless go, heated seats. Does have the sunroof. There's no wear on the seats. It's a really nice truck. Of course, these hold their value very well. You can go online. I was just looking at $20,000 Tacomas, and they're all 15 years old with 180,000 miles on them. It's wild. So this is a good deal here. No accidents. Just a really nice truck. The guy took care of it. And I do have the hard copy records as well. So give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. I can ship this to your driveway anywhere in the country. And I can do all the deals, paperwork remotely via email. You can text me also for a quicker response. But hope to hear from you on this one. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We've always got new things coming in. We're on Instagram at Rogers_motorcars. Typically, we post there the most of things coming in, new purchases in the pipeline, things we're building, stuff like that. So hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you so much.